All right, question of the week, MBLEx review number 33. Our question is, which of the following attachment sites does the SCM insert on? Is it going to be A, the sternum, B, the sternal notch, C, the clavicle, or D, the mastoid process? One more time. Which of the following attachment sites does the SCM insert on? Is it going to be the sternum, the sternal notch, the clavicle, or the mastoid process? So I'll give you a few moments to work on this one, and then we'll go ahead and head over to the explanation. All right, so in the community tab, I asked you which of the following attachment sites does the SCM insert on? And we had a great turnout here. We had 43 votes. 7% of you said it was going to be the sternum. 2% of you said it was going to be the sternal notch. 37% of you said it was going to be the clavicle. And then 53% of you said it was going to be the mastoid process. And then thank you to the 15 people who liked this post. I appreciate it. So a majority of you went with the mastoid process. So let's see if this is the correct answer. Now, one more time, let's look at this question for keywords. Which of the following attachment sites, that's a keyword, does the SCM, that's another keyword, insert on? That's the biggest keyword here, insert. So we are looking for the insertion of the SCM. So let's see, what is the SCM? The SCM is going to stand for the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and that is going to be this muscle right here. Now, what's interesting about the sternocleidomastoid muscle is it is named after its attachment sites. And so anatomists name their muscles after their actions, shapes, sizes, fiber direction, location, number of muscle heads, and then attachment sites. This is what the sternocleidomastoid is named after. Now, if you are interested in learning more about how muscles are named, I would encourage you to check out this worksheet that is on Etsy that covers the names of the muscles by their action, shape, size, fiber direction, location, number of muscle heads, and attachment sites, as well as their meanings and then examples. So I would encourage you to click on this link if you want to learn more about this information. For today, we are going to cover the attachment sites and how muscles are named after them. And so the sternocleidomastoid is named after its attachment sites. And anytime a muscle is named after its attachment sites, it's important that we understand that the origin is always first in the name. So let's look at the sternocleidomastoid muscle. So the sternocleidomastoid, it's also important that we understand that this word is connected by these valves. So remember that these O's are valves and it's connecting these word parts. So we have the sterno, cleido, and mastoid. And so the very first one, the sterno, means the sternal head. And that is going to be the first origin of the sternocleidomastoid. That is going to be the sternal head. Next, we have the cleido. The cleido is going to mean the clavicular head. And so that is going to be this origin, the clavicular head origin. So we have the sternal head and then we have the clavicular head. And then the mastoid is going to be the insertion of the mastoid process. And so this is where this muscle is going to run up and insert on our mastoid process. And so the correct answer here is D, the mastoid process. 53% of you got this answer correct. So great job here, guys. Y'all have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see y'all on the next question of the week. Y'all take care.